チャレンジズ。トーラストウィークアイレコーデッドマイセルフプレイングワールド OZ チャレンジモード。And I wanted to share my experience to my friends who don't play the game. Hopefully I made THIS video entertaining enough for you guys to stick around to the END. Play. Welcome to the lobby. These are challenge mutators. I mean, Fixer, they have smoke grenades. I got you. My friends think the subways are our best bet.
God damn it, Bunko! I will leave your ass here!
Nobody is leaving anybody.
They're gonna steamroll the army and then they'll be back. This is our only chance to get out.
Not going into the subway. You've heard the stories.
We will starve here. The subway is our only chance. We take it to Inwood, get to the evac center, and get the fuck out of New York. Or we die here.
I don't like him, but he's right.
Crazy how fast things escalate. I was a shut-in before the pandemic. To help me get past the first wave. But looking back, I wish I had taken more leisurely strolls before everything changed. Pause. Two things I forgot to mention. And the guy on the radio. He's a sweet guy. Always has been. When I first moved into the neighborhood, Ann was my very first 友達. He brought me a welcome to the neighborhood indoor plant. Big, glossy, sped got leaves filtered my bedroom air for years. I named my plant Danny after Dan, and also I used to watch a ton of Game of Thrones. So, yeah. As I was saying, he like smile across the street. Or whatever. 勘違いしないでよね。It's not like I like him or anything. Second, that ugly guy kneeling, wearing sky jersey. They are called Lucas. He hate them. They are hiding in corners, observing their victims before they assault.気味悪い。ははははは。へへへ。ひひひひ。
Okay.
I'm disappoint. Shame. あはははははははははははははははは。And now. Back to our salary schedule programming.
Here we go again.
Play.
お前はもう死んでいる。何?
I don't see you guys on the roof.
Creeper, we're going for it. Trying the subway to Inwood. Over.
Yeah, really? I don't... maybe the grunts will wipe him out on the fronts. Guys?
Where are you hiding, Creeper? Creeper neutralized. There's too many! Get to the elevator!
Hurry. Let's go.